Hi guys, Travis here, Perth Diesel Performance. Today we're in the workshop with the 300 series. We're going to show you in one easy box a dual battery kit for a 300 series, and better yet, we're going to run through, so stay tuned, why it's Australia's #1 dual battery kit for you. Jumpstart function, stainless steel bracketry, DIY box, all of this wiring is done. REDARC chargers, easy fit under the bonnet. You're going to save time and money and guaranteed you've got a good job done. So the purpose of a dual battery kit is so we can have all those luxuries when we're away. You know, you can get the kids' iPads charged, you can keep your phone charged, you got your USBs for GPSs, you got inverters if you want coffee makers and all that sort of stuff, and run your fridge so all your drinks are cold. Camp lighting at night, all of those things, dual battery kit, tick. But #1, jump start function. What does that do? Well, you've got a flat main battery, all you got to do, push and hold the jump start function, nice and easy. Start the engine and away you go. The engine's started. It's not about keeping the beers cold and all the other stuff. The most important function is starting that engine so you can continue your journey back home. So we've packed all those features in one easy DIY box. It's all done. Everything's in here ready to go. So with this high quality solution, you're never going to have to worry about it failing on you. And the bonus, you only need to upgrade your auxiliary battery. We retain the factory battery in the vehicle. We've designed that in our kit so you don't need to buy 2 batteries. It's just the auxiliary. Well, stainless steel bracketry is what we're renowned in the industry for leading. First of all, it's all laser cut, CNC folded, and before we even get there, it's 3D scanned on the vehicle so we pick up all the factory points. We don't like chopping the car and drilling holes in there. All our kit is low impact in the vehicle. So first of all, dual battery tray itself is all stainless steel. We've got the tie down clamps, we've got stainless steel J hooks, our SPI brackets all integrated into the same tray. We've got our BCDC bracket, once again stainless steel, 3 points of contact. It's rigid, it's made for off-road, and best of all this is made in Australia. And did I mention as well, we've even given the improvised for solar input, so it's all wired and ready. Once again, on another stainless steel bracketry, no holes drilled. So wiring, what have we done and how is it constructed? To start with, it's solid corrie, it's not split tube, so you don't get moisture creep and dust ingression and then corrosion ends up at the terminal. All of our stuff as well is glue lined, heat shrink, so that's completely encapsulated. The lugs, they're mechanically crimped and then they're soldered dunked, so the whole lug is tinned. It's all high quality electrical gear. Everything is crimped and soldered like I mentioned through the whole kit. All of this wiring is done like you see straight out of the box. We've done all the hard work for you, so all you got to do is a simple installation. You don't need to go and see an auto sparky and get complex wiring done. We're going to save you time and money because you're going to get the build quality that I've put into my vehicle, into your vehicle, so in the long run, you're going to save time and money and guaranteed you've got a good job done. We've all had a flat main battery, and we've all had a jump pack that doesn't work. This is why we have the jump start function. I showed you earlier, all you have to do is push that button on the dash and start your car, linking the auxiliary battery to the main battery so you can jump start the vehicle. It's as simple as that, and we've used a REDARC solenoid right here with all the extra cabling. It's a standard feature and it's why our battery kit is premium to anything else on the market. If you don't have the jump start function in your dual battery kit, you've fallen short and you're going to get caught out. It's just a matter of when. So we use the REDARC chargers, the DC-DC chargers. It boosts the voltage up from the alternator to charge the auxiliary battery. We charge them as 2 separate batteries. We're not pairing the 2 together, so the main and the auxiliary act as 2 separate battery banks. We have 2 options available with our DC-DC chargers. This one here is a 25 amp. We've also got the 40 amp chargers for those that want to run the bigger lithium batteries or want the faster charge. Still have the same principles, it just has more output. They're all IP rated. They're designed to go in the elements outside. They're all solar ready, and best of all, you can change the charging algorithm and they're ready for lithium. And once again, it comes in our stainless steel bracketry. It's all pre-wired, like I mentioned earlier, so all the hard work's done for you. So there's one thing to see it all sitting here looking pretty on the bench, but you're asking yourself, how does it fit and how does it look under the bonnet of the 300? Well, let's check it out. Well, here it is. We've got the bonnet up, and as you can see, the factory trims, we've still got them back on the vehicle. We haven't had to chop any of these up. The battery kit bolts directly under there. It's a professional kit. It's got a high quality finish, and I want it to look nice and OEM like it was meant to be under the bonnet of your 300 series. You'll also notice that the factory main battery, the cranking battery that comes with the vehicle, we've rotated at 180 degrees. We've got room over here for the auxiliary battery. It's all clamped down here. It's all one nice, neat, easy fit. A key feature I want to make a note of, we've got an adjustable stainless steel bracket that clamps down the batteries. It can be adjusted to different aftermarket batteries. So if your main battery height changes, you can adjust the bracket to suit. It's stainless steel. We've got wide surface area here for clamping. We've got stainless steel J-hooks. We've got nylock quality. It's not going to rattle loose. The battery's going to be secure for an off-road condition. Solar ready. We've made it the simplest dual battery kit you'll ever fit on any of your vehicles. It's solar ready. It's pre-wired. Plug your blanket in, away you go. Solar, tick, extra fuse holders. We don't use them in our kit. We've catered and we've decided we like it. It's how I wanted it. I've just put it in the kit because I know everyone mounts fuses everywhere and I don't want tech screws and fuse holders all through the engine bay. We've just done it as a nice upgrade because it's a simple solution. Now, BCDC, it can't get any simpler than what we've done here. This kit, it's a simple installation, 3 bolt holes, it's factory bolt holes. Once again, no holes drilled, you're not cutting anything, you just slide it in, 3 bolts out, 3 bolts in. It's as simple as that. As you can see, stainless steel, it's made to go off-road and it's got the charger mounted to it, so charging system made simple. Oh, and by the way, if you want one of these, you can come into store, give us a call on the phone, or jump online. And did you know we ship anywhere in Australia? For a matter of fact, we ship anywhere in the world. It's as easy as that. And if you bought a 300 series and you want it decked out with a quality dual battery kit, make sure you request it from your dealer before you pick your vehicle up. So whatever battery you decide to go with, it's up to your needs and what you use. Personally, I run the Invicta battery. It's a hybrid lithium battery. It's Underbonnet rated. I've tried and tested it. The kit's been designed around this battery to go in the 300 series. Key features, it's super lightweight. So if you're chasing weight with a GVM and you want the lightweight, especially with these vehicles made of aluminium, you want to keep the weight down. The Invicta lithium battery, it's my choice. And also, may I add, this thing here, it's got 1200 cc of cranking output. It's just incredible they can pack all that into such a lightweight battery that ticks all the boxes. And even better yet, it's got an override button that I can personally say actually works, not like a lot of other lithiums on the market. The best thing that I personally like as well, it actually couples with a dual battery kit, is on the dash. You can whip your phone out, put in your phone holder at camp, check out the charge capacity it is. When you're driving along, you can see your battery's full or how full it is before you pull up. You can see what your solar's doing. You can plug the solar in. You can see the charge input to charging this up to position your solar in the best position so you have the best dual battery system you could possibly get. That's why I've gone with Invicta. As mentioned, this is a simple bolt-in kit, easy DIY. If you got any comments, drop them below. Until next time, I'll see you on the tracks.